I did a review of this hair washing machine, model HW100-1479N, and I've been asked to cover the quick wash, which I'm going to do now. These are the different washes that you can do, and as you can see, the quick wash is only 20 degrees. You can only do 5 kgs, whereas the capacity of the machine is 10 kg. And it's a 15-minute cycle. So with it being only 20 degrees, it's not something I would regularly choose. Instructions say 60 degrees and 40 degrees are suitable to clean normally soiled cotton. Doesn't mention 20, so the quick wash being at 20 degrees I would really class as being something you would use just for a refresh, not for any soiling at all. I've just less than half filled the machine because with a quick wash you can only do 5 kgs. I haven't even put 5 kgs in there, I've just half filled it with things that don't require much washing because, like I said, it's only 20 degrees. The door is shut. I'm going to turn the power on. The quick wash is the top one. And you can see that you can't alter the temperature. Normally it would go 20, 40, 60, 90, but you can't alter it at all. 20 is all it does, and it's 15 minutes. And then you just press start. As you can see, the machine isn't really noisy at all on this cycle. Whether it'll get to a noisier part we'll see, but at this stage it's not very noisy at all. That noise of something hitting the glass is because I have one of these in there with detergent in it, so if you didn't want that noise you could just put detergent in the drawer or use one of those laundry tabs that's just in plastic. It's got 12 minutes left now. It says 1 minute left, but it won't let me open the door until... It says 1 minute left, but it won't let me open the door until that clears, but you can see it's not doing anything anymore. Oh, fantastic. So let's see how wet they are. They're not actually that wet at all. I thought such a short cycle would mean that the clothes would be quite wet, but they're not that bad. I'm just going to spin them to see if they'll go any drier. To spin them, all I have to do is... Oh, because it's still flashing end, it won't let me turn. It won't even let me power off. I think I'm going to have to wait till that end stops flashing. Right, all I had to do was hold the power button down and it went off. So now if I turn it back on and I choose a spin cycle, that will be 12 minutes. I'm just going to do that to see if it gets them any drier. But I think they're dry enough already, to be honest. That sounds quite noisy and they haven't even started spinning yet. Wow, lots of rumbling. Oh, there we go. The spin is relatively silent, but the rumble, so loud. Okay, it's got noisier and noisier and noisier, so if you just want to do a quick wash and just trust what I said that it was dry enough, do not follow it with a spin cycle because it's just too noisy if you were trying to freshen up something for work the next day. Just do the quick wash and leave it at that. This is very noisy. So I'm just going to see if doing that spin made the world difference or not. They're a tiny bit drier, but not enough to justify all that noise late at night. So I think you could just get away with just doing the 15-minute cycle.